Looking for a shampoo and conditioner that actually delivers fuller, healthier hair? PuraDOR Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo and Conditioner Set offers exactly that. Packed with natural ingredients, this duo hydrates your scalp, repairs damage, and encourages hair to grow thicker and more vibrant. If you want hair that feels nourished and looks fuller, this might be the solution you've been searching for. What makes this set stand out? It's the powerful blend of 15 key active ingredients, including castor oil and biotin, that work together to target thinning hair and reduce shedding. These ingredients tackle the root causes, like follicle blockage and environmental damage, while infusing your hair with moisture. Plus, it balances your scalp's pH to minimize itching, flaking, and dandruff, leaving your hair manageable and frizz-free. Unlike many products on the market, PuraDOR sticks to a strict no-no list, meaning no sulfates, parabens, silicones, or artificial additives. That's a big deal if you're sensitive to harsh chemicals or want a cleaner hair care routine. I've seen firsthand how this shampoo and conditioner can change your hair's story. One user shared that they usually wash their hair just once a week, but after trying this set, they started washing 2 to 3 times weekly because their hair felt so amazing and smelled great. It's that kind of experience that shows this isn't just about cleansing, it's about truly caring for your hair's health and appearance. If you're ready to give your hair the hydration and repair it deserves, PuraDOR Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo and Conditioner are worth a look. They're gentle enough for sensitive scalps and safe for treated hair, making them a versatile choice for anyone serious about hair care. Plus, with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, there's no risk in trying it out and seeing the difference yourself. Don't settle for shampoos that strip your hair or leave it dull. Choose a product that clarifies, nourishes, and restores natural shine. PuraDOR's Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo and Conditioner Set offers a natural, effective way to support thicker, fuller hair, backed by real ingredients and honest results. Try it when you're ready to experience healthier hair that looks as good as it feels.